The story has started in 2008 when I was proposed to make a project about feelings. I was wandering through the streets of St. Petersburg one night, and there I met Lila, a punk girl who was completely drunk and who was pushing a baby carriage in front of her. I asked if I could take a photo, and I ended up in a messy room in a communal flat with several people partying there non-stop for several days and a little girl crawling all around. I stayed there for a considerable period of time, documenting their life and concentrating my attention on the world of the little girl. I became more or less part of their life. That's why my story became like a personal diary. I was proposed to make an exhibition in St. Petersburg, and my characters came to the opening as well. And the next day the publication with the photos became viral in the internet. People were blaming the parents for the abuse and the photographer for taking those horrifying images without taking a proper action. Someone has reported to the police and the criminal investigation has started. They wanted to take the child to the orphanage. I refused to be a witness to this case. The story raised several important questions. Should a photographer be just a witness, or should he try to change the situation? Should he be always on the side of his subjects? And should he be responsible for what's happening in front of his lens? Several years after, I was still visiting the family, and the girl was still living with her father while the mother has disappeared from their life. The story had a great impact on me as a photographer and as a person. Besides the pictures, I collected different materials related to the story, letters, personal diaries and comments from the internet. Publisher Martin Schild was inspired by this story, and he decided to publish this book. Together with designer Victor Levy, we have worked on a book for almost 2 years, and now it's ready for printing. To make this publication reality, I need your financial support.